this training program of medicinal plant, today we will discuss about ethnobotany. For ethnobotany, I have written, once you go with plants, you never go back. That means you can't go back from the nature, so we should return to the nature. And discussion about the relationship between plants and human beings, that is ethnobotany. So ethnobotany, John Hertzberger in 1895 coined the term. Ethnobotany, it related to community, it related to health problems, it related to landscape. So the focus aspect ecology, demographic, social, culture, economic, gender. Utilization, medicine, food, fetching, fiber, fuel, money. Outcome, sustainable utilization of biowealth. Source for agent to keep health sound. Land management. Data collection for ethnobotanical documentation. First is random, second is semi-structured questionnaire. Through PDF, passport data form, research question and hypothesis. So research question and hypothesis format or set of questions. It has a three-part: general information, about informant, question as per objective. Then you can go for the statistical analysis. So now first we will discuss about code of ethics. The International Society for Ethnobiology's code of ethics. First, understanding local community institutions, authority and protocols. Establishing educated prior informed consent, full disclosure and mechanism to ensure mutual understanding, communication, consultation, approval and permission, good faith, commitment and respect for cultural norms and dignity, standards for mutually agreed terms and conditions, clarity and agreement of objectives, conditions and mutually agreed terms, compliance with moratorium, educational usage of research materials, treatment of existing project materials, ecosystem harms, concentration in collaborative, interdisciplinary and cross cultivation research. Now, National Biodiversity Authority (NBA). The Biodiversity Act 2002 primarily addressed issues of conservation, sustainable use of biological resources in the country, issues related to access to genetic resources and associated knowledge, and fair and equitable sharing and benefits arising from utilization of biological resources to the country and its people. People's Biodiversity Register (PBR) is a legal document that contains details of biological resources and contains associated knowledge as well. The PBR acts as a source of inventory of biological resources and knowledge and for benefit sharing purposes. So this is the passport data form. Now why ethnobotany is important? This is the one small example. Every health problem related to biological has in it the seed of its solution. So you can observe like if you have to control the dengue or Aedes aegypti, okay, you have to plant some biological control which are able to consume the larva of dengue. So prevention is better than cure, and these things you can observe only using ethnobotanical information. You can observe here vegetative parts, okay, digesting Aedes aegypti larva indicating with red estrogen. These vegetative parts belongs to Uticularia species. Now Richard Evans, okay, father of modern ethnobotany, the plants of the god, their sacred healing and hallucinogenics. Okay. So ritual is equal to traditional practice, that is called ethnobotany. So ethnobotany have different parts like archaeoethnobotany, ethnoecology, ethnomedicine, ethnogynecology, ethnomusicology, ethnomycology, ethnonarcotics, ethnopharmacology, ethnotaxonomy, ethnotoxicology, paleoethnobotany, ethnocosmetics, ethnolinguistics, ethnonorthopedics, ophthalmology, and ethnopediatrics. So you can observe the botany and the other disciplines related to ethnobotany like anthropology, ecology, medicine, chemistry, agriculture, horticulture, forestry, agroforestry, archaeology, economics, religious studies, linguistic, taxonomy. So these are the part of ethnobotany. Now Dr. S.K. Jain, who made pioneering investigations on ethnobotany and affectionately known as father of Indian ethnobotany. Important ethnobotanists are KL Kapoor, VP Kamboj, KV Bilior, NC Shah, Ved Prakash, RP Rao, KC Aditya, DS Bhakuni, PVN Kurup, KC Tiwari, Anil Goyal, okay, Archana Godbole. These are they are the important ethnobotanists. SK Borthapur. Ethnobotany simply means investigating plants used by societies in various parts of the world. So ethnobotanical information from two types we can collect: open-ended questionnaire and semi-structured questionnaires. So this is again a passport data form. So these are the already discussed. Now key for the analysis of ethnomedicinal information. Okay, like we have to calculate ICF, RFC, FC, UV, RI, like use value, relative importance index, relative frequency of citation, informant consensus factor, and then we can go for the Jacquard index. We have to think about the ethical issues. Like foreigners cannot enter into the temple to collect any information in Jagannath temple. So plant collection, identification, preservation with voucher number. This is also a part of ethnobotany. So what is ICF? It is used to get homogeneity in the ethnomedicinal information documented from the informants. Frequency of citation you can observe here. Relative frequency of citation also you can observe here. These are the mathematical terms: relative importance index, huge value, Jacquard index. So thank you very much. Okay, today we discussed in brief about the ethnobotany in this training program.